Let's go! Today we're unboxing a Supreme small logo hooded sweatshirt, I believe is what it's called. And this is the packaging it came in. Size medium over here. You see the small box logo. It's a black hoodie, black small box logo over here that we'll see closer once I open it. Let's see, flip it over. Actually, before I flip it over, you can see the hood up top, the drawstrings. This is the back. Nothing too special. Warning on the label that the plastic will be danger, but I wanted to show you all this. It's black, small box hooded sweatshirt. All right, let's unbox this. Oops, sorry, hit the tripod. All right, here we go. So here's the kangaroo pouch. Here's the hood. Oh yeah, it feels sturdy. Normal Supreme. Pretty heavy. Here's the tag. Supreme. Made in Canada. Interesting. Medium and made in Canada. Cool. So, drawstrings and what you pay for. The Hype Beast small Supreme logo. Let's see. Black on black. Not too flashy, but I'm liking it. I'm liking it. So, yep, just got this recently. Just wanted to show you all what it was like to unbox this, and yeah, quality feels nice. First impressions definitely as expected. Here's the pouch. Yeah, cozy, warm, fuzzy on the inside, and exactly what I was expecting. So thanks everyone. Please like and subscribe for more future random unboxing videos. Hope you're all doing well. Take care. Bye.